What's going on, guys, and welcome back to Keeping Up with Crypto with your boy Xander. Man, does it feel good to be back. Sorry that I was gone for so long. You guys have to understand that I actually moved. As you can see, I'm in a new space, and this isn't even going to be my recording room. I got a whole separate room now for a recording room. I just got to get it all set up and everything. But I know it's been about 2 weeks since I posted, and that's because of moving, being busy, and also I didn't have any internet over the last 2 weeks. So it's been hectic, but we're finally getting back up there. And I wanted to come back and talk to you about some big changes coming up for the Keeping Up name. Okay, so to start off, Sean splitting off. He's going to do his thing with GDC. If you guys don't know about it, Gentlemen's Driving Club. I'll leave a link in the description. I actually am one of his sales representatives, the sales director for his company, and I do sales online and everything for him. But it's a clothing apparel company. You should go check it out. It's for car enthusiasts and pretty much anybody. But it's just really cool clothes, really comfortable, fits well. Really amazing stuff. I tell you what, if you want a discount on it, 10% off of anything in the store if you use the code 10X, and that'll get you 10% off. So go check it out. It's really good stuff. But that's what Sean's going to be doing from now on. So Sean will not be posting videos on here anymore. It's going to be solely me, Mr. Xander himself, until I get somebody else. I'm going to probably keep recruiting, trying to find somebody new who really knows what they're talking about and is really enthusiastic and is going to keep up the name, you know? Second thing for Keeping Up with Crypto is that we are going to be not posting as much, because I've noticed that it's become redundant. Even with channels like top channels like Altcoin Buzz, it has become so redundant. It's just talking about the same thing over and over and over and over again, because we're at that point in the market where we're in that big dip that it's just not a lot's happening. And no matter how much we talk about it, not a lot's going to happen. So my plan is to do maybe 1 to 2 videos a week. Keep it up, just a steady pace, doing a broad overview of how the market is doing, maybe how a coin did, or if something pops or something happens. If anything major, I'm going to do something over, obviously. But until then, or until the market picks back up and then coins start busting left and right, obviously we're going to be covering all of that. You know, we're going to keep you up to date. We're going to keep you up with crypto. But for right now, I just don't want to put out content towards y'all that's not going to be good or quality content if it's just me saying the same things over and over and over and over again. I know you guys don't want to see that. So what I'm going to do with this excess energy and time is I'm going to put it towards something else. And now, as you can see, I have it on here. We just branched off into our first I guess it's like the first branch of Keeping Up with, and now we have Keeping Up with Gaming, guys. So for me personally, I just wanted to do this one. I wanted to start this, and it's going to be kind of the same area as Keeping Up with Crypto, just a little bit different. So Keeping Up with Crypto is news, coin reviews, and all the stuff that's going to be crypto related, while this is going to be gaming related, obviously. So younger viewers, older viewers, I don't know, it doesn't matter. Anybody can come check it out. I want y'all to go subscribe and like the videos and check them out. And I like to think that I'm going to give some good commentary, some funny commentary on a lot of it. But yeah, we're going to mostly be talking about, as you can see, I already have a video up on the Super Smash Bros. 5 coming out. That may mean nothing to y'all, but for people in the community, it's big, it's huge, and I did a reaction video to it and an analysis of what I think it's going to be. And so I'm going to be doing reviews over new games coming out, news in the gaming industry, new systems, stuff like that, and then I'm going to be doing playthroughs and just kind of everything gaming related. I'm going to just keep going at it. I'm going to get my boy Jordan probably to help me out. He's going to be doing some commentary with me. So y'all should definitely go check it out. I think it's going to be a lot of fun, and I'm really excited about Keeping Up with Gaming. In the future, I really do plan on expanding even further. With Keeping Up with Gaming is just the first branch. Who knows? Keeping Up with Cars would be something I know Sean would love to do, because he's a very big car enthusiast with GDC and everything. And then my brother would love to do Keeping Up with Fitness. That's a possibility here pretty soon. If it's over stuff that I don't know, I will hire people and have them make videos. That's how it's going to work, because I'm not going to talk about anything that I don't know about. I guarantee you that. So I will have people working with me who really know their field, and they'll make videos or join me to help me make videos for you in that, specific area. Gaming, got it. Crypto, got it. Cars, not so much. So I'll let somebody else do that. I'll let Sean do that, something like that. But yeah, what do you think my next keeping up with should be? I mean, it's going to be a little while. I'm really going to get keeping up with gaming up and running. As you can see, I don't even have a banner right now. It's being funky with it. I put one up, and I don't know why it's not there. But definitely go subscribe. Check it out. It's a lot of fun. I just started it yesterday. And yeah, so let me know what the next keeping up with should be. Should be keeping up with fitness, keeping up with art, keeping up with style, keeping up with music. It's kind of unlimited, guys. There's so many different things you can do. And then, just let me know in the comments below. And the next video I post on here will be probably here pretty soon in the next few days, going over the market, which has been dipping back a little bit, guys, as you have noticed. And the main thing is just HODL. Like, you just got to hold on to it, okay? Hold on to it, because we're going to see greener pastures in the future. I will bet everything that I have on it, because I have most of my savings inside of it. I mean, it's nothing. If I lost it, I will not die without it. And I hope all of you will be fine. You're not betting your house. But I do have a lot invested in it, because I really believe in crypto, and I know it's going to go somewhere. But as always, guys, like, comment, subscribe. Mash that subscribe button so hard for me on Keeping Up with Gaming. Show me some love on there. Share it with your friends. And then hit that bell notification so you know whenever I post a new video. And, tell me how you're keeping up with crypto and how you're keeping up with gaming. And I'll catch you in the next one, guys.